In this video lecture, we are going to discuss multiple choice question and its answers from the topic steam boilers. A supercritical boiler is one that operates above the pressure and temperature of the following values. Option A 100 kg per centimeter square and 540 degrees centigrade. Option B 1 kg per centimeter square and 100 degrees centigrade. Option C 218 kg per centimeter square absolute and 373 degrees centigrade. Option D 218 kg per centimeter square absolute and 540 degrees centigrade. Answer option C 218 kg per centimeter square absolute and 373 degree centigrade. The high pressure boiler is one which produces steam at a pressure more than option A atmospheric pressure, option B 5 kg per centimeter square, option C 10 kg per centimeter square, option D 7580 kg per centimeter square. Answer option D 7580 kg per centimeter square. In a steam engine, superheated steam from the boiler is fed into the steam chest at a pressure of option A 10 atmospheres, option B 20 atmospheres, option C 30 atmospheres, option D 40 atmospheres. Answer option B 20 atmospheres. The diameter of tubes for natural circulation boiler as compared to controlled circulation boilers is option A more, option B less, option C same, option D could be more or less depending on the other factors. Answer option A more. When the inlet pressure of steam is equal to the exit pressure, then option A there is a pressure drop in the nozzle, option B fluid flows through the nozzle, option C pressure drop and fluid flows through the nozzle, option D there is no pressure drop and fluid does not flow through the nozzle. Answer option D there is no pressure drop and fluid does not flow through the nozzle. In water tube boilers, option A, water passes through the tubes which are surrounded by flames and hot gases. Option B, the flames and hot gases passes through the tubes which are surrounded by water. Option C, forced circulation takes place. Option D, none of this. Answer option A, water passes through the tubes which are surrounded by flames and hot gases. An economizer in a boiler, option A increases steam pressure, option B increases steam flow, option C decreases fuel consumption, option D decreases steam pressure. Answer option C decreases fuel consumption. Which is not correct statement about pulverized fuel firing. Option A, high burning rate is possible. Option B, heat release can be easily controlled. Option C, fuel burns economically. Option D, it is the best technique for burning high ash content fuel having low fusion ash. Answer option D, it is the best technique for burning high ash content fuel having low fusion ash. Superheating of steam is done at option A constant volume, option B constant temperature, option C constant pressure, option D constant entropy. Answer option C constant pressure. The pressure of feed water has to be raised before its entry into the boiler. The boiler is raised by a device known as option A feed pump, option B injector, option C feed check valve, option D pressure gauge. Answer option A feed pump. For burning 1 kilogram of carbon to CO, as per chemically correct combustion, amount of air required is option A 1, option B 4 by 3 kilogram, option C 8 by 3 kilogram, option D 2 kilogram. Answer option B 4 by 3 kilogram. A binary vapor plant consists of option A steam turbine, option B steam condenser, option C mercury boiler, option D all of these. Answer option D all of these. The draught may be produced by a option A mechanical fan, option B chimney, option C a steam jet, option D all of these. Answer option D all of these. Which of the following is steam dial? Option A non-coking bituminous coal, option B brown coal, option C pulverized coal, option D coking bituminous coal. Answer option A non-coking bituminous coal. In accelerated circulation type boiler, option A heating takes place at bottom and the water supplied at bottom gets converted into the mixture of steam bubbles and hot water which rise to drum. Option B water is supplied in drum through downcomers located in atmospheric condition and it passes through the water wall then rises to drum in the form of mixture of water and steam. Option C feed pump is employed to supplement natural circulation in water wall type furnace. Option D water is converted into steam in one pass without any recirculation. Answer option B water is supplied in drum through downcomers located in atmospheric condition and it passes to the water wall then rises to drum in the form of mixture of water and steam. The indicated thermal efficiency is defined as the option A ratio of thermal efficiency to the Rankine efficiency, option B ratio of brake power to the indicated power, option C ratio of heat equivalent to indicated power to the energy supplied in steam, option D product of thermal efficiency and Rankine efficiency. Answer option C ratio of heat equivalent to indicated power to the energy supplied in steam. The major axis of elliptical manholes in the shell should be provided. Option A longitudinally, option B circumferentially, option C on disc end, option D anywhere. Answer option B circumferentially. In a reaction turbine, when steam flows through the moving blades, option A pressure increases while velocity decreases, option B pressure decreases while velocity increases, option C pressure and velocity both decreases, option D pressure and velocity both increases. Answer option C pressure and velocity both decreases. The device attached to the steam chest for preventing explosions due to extensive internal pressure of steam is called option A safety valve, option B water level indicator, option C pressure gauge, Option D, fusible plug. Answer option A, safety valve. The economizer is used in boiler to option A, increase thermal efficiency of boiler, option B, economize on fuel, option C, extract heat from the exhaust flue gases, option D, increase flue gas temperature. Answer option A, increase thermal efficiency of boiler. Thank you.